leg cramps can be uncomfortable and disruptive, especially as we age. Fortunately, some tasty, nutrient-rich foods can help seniors manage and even prevent these cramps effectively. Let's explore in depth the top 6 foods that offer natural relief and significantly improve overall muscle health. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs aren't just delicious, they are nutritional superstars. Rich in high-quality protein, vitamin D, and vitamin B12, eggs play a crucial role in muscle repair, nerve health, and proper muscle contraction. The protein in eggs helps maintain muscle mass, essential for seniors to reduce the risk of frailty and weakness. Vitamin D facilitates calcium absorption, enhancing bone density and muscle function, thereby reducing the risk of cramps. Vitamin B12 supports healthy nerve signaling, preventing cramps and muscle spasms. For optimal benefit, seniors can enjoy eggs prepared in various healthy ways, boiled, poached, or scrambled, and pair them with fortified dairy, fatty fish like salmon, sardines, or leafy greens for a well-rounded meal. Number 2. Bananas. Bananas are famously beneficial for their high potassium content, essential for regulating muscle contractions, maintaining nerve signaling, and preventing cramps related to dehydration. Additionally, bananas offer significant magnesium and vitamin B6, essential for nerve function and inflammation control. Regular banana intake can help seniors manage cramps effectively, enhance recovery after activity, and maintain cardiovascular health by controlling blood pressure. Seniors might also enjoy bananas blended into smoothies, sliced over oatmeal, or paired with yogurt for a balanced, tasty snack. Number 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds like pumpkin seeds, almonds, pistachios, cashews, and walnuts are nutrient-dense snacks, offering magnesium, potassium, and heart-healthy fats. Magnesium and potassium relax tense muscles, improve circulation, and reduce cramp frequency. Healthy fats, particularly omega-3s in walnuts, support inflammation reduction, muscle recovery, and cardiovascular health. Seniors should aim for a daily serving, about 1 ounce, of mixed nuts and seeds to maximize these benefits. Enjoy them raw, roasted, sprinkled on salads, cereals, or mixed into yogurt for additional taste and nutrition. Number 4. Avocados. Avocados are delicious nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamin K, omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. Vitamin K helps regulate blood clotting and supports bone health, which indirectly improves muscle function. Omega-3 fatty acids help lower LDL cholesterol and inflammation, promoting healthier circulation and preventing leg cramps. Avocados also enhance nutrient absorption from other foods, making them an excellent addition to meals. Seniors can incorporate avocado slices into salads, spread them on whole grain toast, or blend them into smoothies for enhanced nutritional intake. Number 5. Papaya. Papaya is not only sweet and refreshing but also boasts powerful health benefits thanks to papain, an enzyme that aids digestion, reduces arterial plaque, and significantly boosts circulation. Improved blood flow directly contributes to better muscle oxygenation and fewer cramps. Combining papaya with fresh ginger can amplify these benefits, as ginger offers potent anti-inflammatory and circulation-enhancing properties. Seniors can enjoy papaya fresh, blended in smoothies, or even as a salad with ginger dressing for maximum nutritional benefit. Number 6. Berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are flavorful treats with impressive health advantages. These fruits contain anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that maintain artery flexibility, promote healthy circulation, and reduce the risk of thrombosis and arterial stiffness. Regular berry consumption can significantly improve cardiovascular health, reducing cramp frequency and intensity. Additionally, berries are rich in dietary fiber and vitamin C, supporting immunity, digestive health, and overall vitality. Seniors can include berries in breakfast cereals, smoothies, yogurt, salads, or enjoy them fresh as a daily snack. By regularly incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet, seniors can effectively combat leg cramps, enhance overall muscle function, and significantly improve their quality of life. Embrace these delicious foods, enjoy healthier days, and confidently say goodbye to discomfort and cramps. Additional nutritional tips for seniors. Eat fruits with their skin when possible to maximize nutrient intake. Combine certain foods for enhanced benefits, e.g., papaya paired with ginger or berry soaked in green tea. Incorporate avocado peels or banana peels into smoothies or teas for extra nutritional advantages. Maintain good hydration by drinking 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Pair these beneficial foods with a balanced diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, and vegetables. Consult a healthcare professional or dietitian, especially if managing specific health conditions like kidney disease or diabetes, before significantly altering dietary routines. Incorporating these strategies into your daily routine can notably reduce leg cramps, enhance muscle health, and significantly improve your quality of life. Enjoy these delicious and nutritious foods, stay hydrated, and confidently say goodbye to discomfort. Importance of regular exercise for seniors. In addition to dietary changes, seniors greatly benefit from regular exercise to further reduce leg cramps and improve overall muscle health. Low-impact activities like walking, swimming, stretching, yoga, or Tai Chi enhance circulation, flexibility, and muscle strength, significantly decreasing the occurrence of leg cramps. Consistent physical activity can also promote better balance, reduce inflammation, and maintain mobility, contributing to overall independence and well-being. Aim for at least 20 to 30 minutes of gentle exercise daily, customized to your comfort and fitness level. Always consult your doctor or physical therapist to determine the best exercise regimen tailored to your individual needs and health status. Thank you for tuning into our video. Remember, your health is in your hands, and together we can work towards a healthier future. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.